Hello YouTubers. It's my first attempt at a video on my garden. I'm going to show you my seedlings, how they're doing, how I got it set up. Just please watch. Thanks. Okay, here you see this is my grow lights. Basically just 100 watt fluorescents. They use about 23 watts of power. I've got, as you can see, 12 of them hooked up. You can see all the seedlings. The light's not too bright. Tons of tomatoes, eggplant, peppers, onions, cabbage, lettuce, celery. Here's a sweet potato plant. I just cut the end off of a sweet potato and stuck it in the dirt. You can see how long the vine is. That celery that I basically stuck the end of a stalk of celery from the refrigerator, cut off, stuck it in the dirt, it started growing. Around it you'll see some dead ones that I'm not sure why they died, they just croaked. Here's some of the peppers that I transplanted after they popped up in the original cup. Some tomatoes. Try to turn some of these lights off so you can see. Okay, you can see some of the tomatoes. I got labels on each one. The day I planted is the first date you see. You can see how there's several tomatoes in this cup. I still haven't divided those out and transplanted them yet. Here's one that I have transplanted. It's from a black creme tomato seed. And here's some I have not separated yet, also black creme. Here's one of the largest ones I've got. I believe that one is a Cherokee purple. Nope, it's a beefsteak. Delicious beefsteak. You can see the roots all over the place. That means it's just about ready to go back into the ground outside. Been waiting for the cold to go away first. I'm going to take them out and put them in a tub that I can close up at night to keep the cold from damaging the plant. Open it up for the sunshine in the daytime. There's some more celery, just planted that from seed. Actually, the seed from that was just grocery store spice aisle seed, and it will germinate, as you can see. I don't recall what that is. Oh yeah, Swiss chard. A couple of those popped up in this one. This here is some basil. And you can see the cabbage plant right here. That's a bib lettuce over there. Different type of lettuce over there, I believe. And this one here, cabbage. Different kind of cabbage, it looks like. Early. Actually, these onions here, chopped them off of onions I got at the store, chopped the end off, left about an inch of the white, stuck it in the dirt, and there it is, growing out new growth. You can see what I do from seed. They just pop up, little spindly greens. And that little red container there contains strawberries. I just took the strawberries, shaved the outer edges like you were peeling a strawberry, and laid the layers in a cup. Covered it with dirt, kept it watered. There's another one there, and a third one right there. This one, Big Bertha bell pepper. I don't know if that's a bell pepper, or I think there's a little one there, it looks like, and that might be some clover or something that got in there. This was supposed to be red mercury bell pepper, and I'm not sure what that is. It might be another clover, just it got in the dirt. This is crepe myrtle. I have crepe myrtles in the yard. I saved the seed from them. Just dropped a bunch in the cup, covered it with dirt, kept it wet, and that was on January 17th that I planted it. More of the peppers, red hot ornamental peppers. That's just a red hot pepper. Red bell pepper. 4-way hybrid bell pepper. Some of these are from seeds I just got off the grocery store. Bell peppers. That's a poblano. That's from I purchased a seed at the store. Black creme tomato, another one. Lots of little tomatoes. I probably got 40 to 50 plants, tomatoes, and about the same in peppers. Different varieties. That's a celery plant. Pulled out when I was moving this one. This is actually a pineapple top that I planted a couple of years ago, and you can see celery growing in it. I didn't plant the celery. It was underneath the celery plant on its second year, and it created seeds, and the seeds dropped in there and they grew on their own. I didn't plant them. So celery is pretty easy to grow. You just got to keep it watered. And for the moment, I'll sign off. Thank you for watching my video. Please hit like if you like it, and subscribe if you would like to see more. Thanks. Goodbye.